While in college, you often need to use a long-term planning calendar in order to consolidate your major assignments for easy viewing. For example, you will want to add all of your major exams, projects, and papers, as well as your final exams, to this document as early as you can in the semester. To begin, gather the syllabi from all of your classes. Then go through each one and add the major exams, papers, and/or projects. Pause the video while you do this and unpause it when you are finished. Now, why is it important to use long-term planning? Well, many of you may use monthly calendars. What happens if you have an exam the first week in September? If your calendar is on August, it's too late to study when you flip the month to September and see that you have an exam. The other benefit is that it lets you see when you have busy weeks. Professors usually assign tests and papers every 4 weeks, so it's not unusual to have 4 exams in 1 week. When you do long-term planning on a semester calendar, it lets you see when you have busy weeks so you can plan your personal and work schedules around those weeks. Another thing you should add to your calendar is your final exams. If your professor doesn't have them on the syllabus, you can find the final exam schedule on the website, Getting Started, Admissions, Academic Calendars and Final Exams, Final Exam Schedule Fall 2019. You can find all of your finals on this schedule and add them to your calendar.